No more.
Borrow me 20K.
No more.
Borrow me 20K, Joe. Go pay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one is about Obio Omo Babaluwo, like Obio and Cubana Chief Priest, because the video is actually in two sections here today. Anyway, Davido and his friends were spotted having this wonderful cruise somewhere. At the same time, Chief Priest said his return from Istanbul, Turkey, the doctor said he should be exercising for his health, but he cannot do the exercise alone. That's why he has to use Ogene to exercise. Like, I don't understand who uses Ogene music to exercise. And this is like the first part of the whole exercise. Anyway, that's all I'll be sharing here, some funny moments from the exercise. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, share comments in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly. Prince is the legal representative of the DMW gang. I am talking of Davido and his gang, and this is the guy you're actually seeing here. He's the legal representative of the brand. And in this funny video, Davido was spotted shouting, "Prince, borrow me 20K, Prince, borrow me 20K." And as well, he was still with his manager Asaba and two other of his best friends. They have a wonderful time chilling out somewhere, and that's what we'll be sharing here. Please drop a comment if you feel these guys are really catching the.
I beg, borrow me like 20K. Cause
No more.
borrow me 20K.
No more.
Borrow me 20K, Joe. Go pay. Borrow me 20K. Chop. Man, nasty. Fuck you, bro. Last ball. God punish you. Devil. The devil himself.
That will be all here on the video today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section, follow us on all social media at lionmarktv.com. Visit our blog at lionmarktv.com. See you guys on my next video.